Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, May 20th, 2020. Let's stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now for our school theme song. A green and white, 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 a green and white. One's off for school, the greatest school. 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 In East Brunswick, in New Jersey, there is one star for school. We show kindness to everyone to make our future bright. A green and white, 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 a green and white. Teachers, staff, and parents too help make our future bright. Fine upstanders who set examples help make our future bright. One's off for school, the greatest school. 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 Alrighty, I have Scout here. Let's take a look at today's plan. So today you're playing Unit 7 Vocabulary Memory Game here. You can play this as many times as you want. And for language arts, you're continuing on your Who Would Win book, and you are listening to today's your last day to listen to chapters 11 and 12 of Charlotte's Web, because we move on to 13 and 14 tomorrow. You have your Lego Bits and Bricks coding activity, as you're made to if you'd like to do that. Our helping heroes of the week are your parents. Parents, thanks for hanging in there. So make sure to appreciate your parents this week. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, our secret student who we're celebrating today is, drumroll please, it is Isabella's son! Yay! Make sure to fill out this form about Isabella so she can see all the kind words people have to say about her. Have a good day. Bye.